Okay, this is the chicken coop. This is the outside pen with roughly 4-foot high fence and then bird netting on top, 25 foot by 25 foot. And then the coop has a door so that you can get in and change the food and the water. Chicken, molting chicken. And then the coop is above that, so there's about 3 foot between there and the ground, and you can see the ramp. That's how the chickens get into the coop. And there's a little pop door there and a little pop door there, and that's how the chickens get into the front pen, which is very similar to the back pen. Again, a little door, and then 3-foot fence with more bird netting on top. And you can see they basically eaten all the grass that used to grow inside there, with the exception of like palmetto, which is pretty tough for chickens. And then this is the coop. This is the coop, and I have a drawer here to collect poop, make it easy to do poop cleanup. And then on this side I have the access for the egg boxes. Okay, and so inside you can see that's where the tray pulls out underneath the roost at night. And then here's the egg boxes, and we got a bunch of eggs in there. And this actually is just a frame. The egg box is just a frame. There's no bottom to it, and it goes all the way through. So when you want to clean out, you can just take the whole thing, dump it in the wheelbarrow, and then underneath this is just linoleum. It's just a sheet of old linoleum that I cut, and it goes all the way up to the tray. And so I can just, after I take the egg box out, I can slide all the linoleum out and hose that off or scrape it off or whatever, and it's all cleaned out, or relatively cleaned out. So more eggs over there too. Been busy. And so that's the coop, and you can see the roof goes over the other part of the pen. So the coop itself is 4 feet by 8 feet, and the pen is about 8 feet by 8 feet. And so they're protected, and that fence is buried under the ground about 6 inches from here down. So nothing can get in there. So all I can do is close these 2 pop doors, and nothing can get in there. When the birds are out here in the pen, they're a little more exposed, but still with the bird netting and with the fence all the way down to the ground, something would have to dig underneath there to get them. And the green stuff in there now is grapevine, but the chickens will eventually eat that. That's it.